Understanding arthritis. After 60 arthritis isn't just an occasional ache or pain. It's a chronic condition that affects millions of people over the age of 60, often robbing them of mobility, independence, and quality of life. There are more than 100 types of arthritis, but the most common in older adults are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis in particular is the result of wear and tear on the joints, leading to the breakdown of cartilage, which cushions the bones. As this cushion thins, bones begin to rub against each other, causing pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Rheumatoid arthritis, on the other hand, is an autoimmune disease where the immune system mistakenly attacks the joints, resulting in painful swelling and damage. At 60 and beyond, managing arthritis becomes a daily reality for many. The signs are often subtle at first: a stiffness in the knees when getting out of bed, discomfort in the fingers while opening jars, or a dull ache in the hips after sitting for too long. But over time, these symptoms can intensify, affecting your ability to walk, exercise, and even perform basic tasks. Conventional treatments like NSAIDs, corticosteroids, and joint replacement surgeries are commonly recommended. However, they often come with side effects, risks, and limitations, especially for older adults who may be managing multiple conditions. That's why more and more people are turning to natural remedies, not as a replacement, but as a complementary approach to reduce inflammation, improve mobility, and enhance their overall quality of life. In this video, we'll explore evidence-based natural remedies that actually work for arthritis after 60. From anti-inflammatory foods to gentle exercises and herbal supplements, we'll look at real strategies that can make a real difference. Let's begin by addressing one of the most powerful tools you have: your diet. The anti-inflammatory diet and joint health. What you put on your plate can either fuel inflammation or fight it. The link between chronic inflammation and arthritis is well documented, and it starts with the foods we eat every day. After 60, our bodies become more sensitive to inflammatory triggers, so adjusting your diet isn't just helpful, it's essential. First, eliminate or reduce inflammatory foods. This includes refined sugars, processed meats, white bread, and anything high in trans fats. These foods can spike inflammation levels and make joint pain worse. Instead, adopt an anti-inflammatory diet based on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Think of it like feeding your joints with healing nutrition. Start by incorporating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce joint stiffness and morning pain in people with arthritis. Next, add leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These vegetables are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a key factor in joint damage. Berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, contain anthocyanins that not only protect cells, but reduce inflammatory markers in the blood. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic aren't just flavorful, they're nature's anti-inflammatories. Turmeric in particular contains curcumin, which has shown promise in several studies for reducing arthritis pain and improving joint function. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats also support joint health by stabilizing blood sugar and reducing inflammation. Pair that with nuts and seeds, especially walnuts and flax seeds, for added omega-3s and fiber. Hydration matters too. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keep the joints lubricated. Herbal teas like green tea and ginger tea can also help reduce inflammation naturally. The beauty of this approach is that it's not a restrictive diet. It's a sustainable lifestyle. By eating this way consistently, you give your body the nutrients it needs to repair, recover, and resist the inflammation that fuels arthritis. But diet is just the beginning. Now let's look at how movement can be medicine. Exercise is a natural joint lubricant. It may sound counterintuitive, but moving more, not less, is one of the best ways to manage arthritis. Many seniors avoid exercise because they fear it will worsen their joint pain. In reality, regular, low-impact movement helps reduce stiffness, increase flexibility, and strengthen the muscles that support your joints. Let's start with walking. A brisk 20 to 30-minute walk, even around your home or local park, improves circulation and keeps joints flexible. Swimming and water aerobics are also excellent choices, especially if your knees, hips, or spine are affected. because water supports your body weight and reduces impact while allowing full range of motion. Tai Chi and yoga are proven to reduce pain and improve mobility in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. These practices focus on gentle stretching, balance, and deep breathing, which reduces stress, a known trigger for inflammation. Strength training is another game changer. Building muscle around your joints reduces the strain on them. You don't need a gym membership or heavy weights. Simple resistance bands, hand weights, or even body weight exercises like wall squats and modified push-ups can be incredibly effective. Just remember, it's not about intensity, it's about consistency. Joint-specific movements can also be part of your daily routine. For example, if your hands are affected, try finger stretches, squeezing a stress ball, or using therapy putty to improve grip strength. For knees, try leg raises, hamstring curls, and seated marching. Always warm up before exercising, and if pain increases, stop and consult a health professional. Movement helps your body produce synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. It also promotes circulation, helps manage weight, and lifts your mood. Together, these benefits create a powerful synergy that reduces arthritis symptoms over time. Now let's look at another key piece of the puzzle: natural supplements. Natural supplements that ease joint pain. Natural supplements are not a magic cure, but many have strong scientific backing when it comes to managing arthritis symptoms. After 60, your body may not absorb nutrients as efficiently, so supplements can help bridge the gap. Let's explore the most effective options. Glucosamine and chondroitin are two of the most well-known supplements for joint health. Found naturally in cartilage, they may slow cartilage breakdown and even promote its repair. Studies show that they can reduce joint pain and improve mobility, especially in the knees. While results vary, many seniors report relief after consistent use over several weeks. Turmeric supplements, especially those with standardized curcumin, are potent anti-inflammatories. Look for products that also contain black pepper extract, piperine, which improves absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids, often found in fish oil capsules, reduce inflammation and can be especially helpful for people with rheumatoid arthritis. Boswellia serrata, also known as Indian frankincense, has been shown to reduce joint swelling and improve mobility. It works by blocking enzymes that trigger inflammation. MSM, methylsulfonylmethane, is another supplement worth considering. It may reduce pain and improve function, particularly when combined with glucosamine. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. A deficiency can worsen joint pain, so make sure your levels are adequate, especially if you don't get regular sun exposure. Similarly, magnesium supports muscle and nerve function and may help reduce cramps and stiffness. Before starting any supplement, consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're taking medications. Not all supplements are created equal, so choose high-quality products that have been third-party tested. When paired with a healthy lifestyle, these supplements can be part of a comprehensive arthritis management plan. Now let's turn our focus to daily habits that make a real difference. Lifestyle habits that reduce arthritis flare-ups. Managing arthritis goes beyond diet and supplements. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your joints every day. One of the most critical factors is weight management. Excess weight puts added pressure on joints, especially the knees, hips, and back. In fact, every pound of excess weight can place up to 4 extra pounds of pressure on your knees. Losing even a small amount of weight can lead to noticeable relief. Quality sleep is another pillar of arthritis management. Poor sleep increases sensitivity to pain and reduces your body's ability to repair itself. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and establish a calming bedtime routine. Gentle stretches before bed, turning off screens, and avoiding heavy meals late in the evening can all improve sleep quality. Stress reduction plays a surprising role in joint health. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, which can increase inflammation. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or simply enjoying nature can lower stress levels and improve how you feel day to day. Staying socially connected is also important. Isolation can worsen both physical and emotional pain, so stay in touch with loved ones or join support groups. Many are available online if mobility is limited. Hot and cold therapy can be used as a natural way to relieve symptoms. Warm baths relax muscles and increase circulation, while cold packs reduce inflammation and numb sharp pain. Alternating between the two may bring even greater relief. Finally, adapt your home for comfort. Use assistive devices for daily activities, like jar openers, reachers, or voice-activated technology, to reduce strain on your joints. Pacing yourself, taking breaks, and listening to your body all go a long way in living a full life with arthritis. Living fully with arthritis. After 60, arthritis after 60 doesn't mean giving up your favorite activities, independence, or joy. It simply means learning to live more intentionally. With a blend of anti-inflammatory nutrition, consistent movement, targeted supplements, and smart lifestyle habits, you can regain control over your symptoms and restore your quality of life. While there's no overnight fix, the good news is that every small step adds up. Remember, arthritis management isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Some days will be harder than others, but with the right tools, support, and mindset, you can keep moving forward. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health insights, and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Your story might just inspire someone else to take the first step toward healing. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.